Okay, everybody, we're going to go for a little ride up towards Tarlac to Xevera. Got to go and drop off a few things at Janice's parents, and we'll take it for a ride there. And if the weather permits, we're going to go a little further north and get up on a little mountain hill. We've been up there once before. I think we have a video there. Lady of Lourdes, but they were doing construction on the top of the little hill there, and we couldn't get up there, so we wanted to get up there and get some views and some footage from the view that we could actually overlook a large area up at Tarlac towards Mabalacat, and it's a beautiful place. So come on for the ride. We'll see you in Xevera. You ready? Take this. Let me bring the bike outside. Got to bring the bike up on the road. Still haven't gotten the concrete filled in here after they did the road. Take you for a ride through the neighborhood. Back roads back out to MacArthur. They got speed bumps galore here. And construction everywhere.
You need to blow your horn. Blow pa, blow. Always blow. We don't know if there's...
Yeah, this road is not the widest, but it's a little shortcut to get up. And there's dog poo all over the place, all on the street.
It's the Philippines.
Yeah. They let the dogs run loose. Actually, the ordinance is that they can't, but they don't enforce it, so nobody cares. For me, that's a little too much when it comes to the
Yeah, that's for the owner responsibility.
Yeah, well, they don't take responsibility. That's my point.
And if they know how to raise the dog, they know how to pick up the poop also.
Yeah, there is some responsible dog owners here. They walk their dog on the leash and they pick up when the dog does something. And then you have 9 out of 10, they have their dogs running loose all the time. So Oh, you know what we should have done?
Huh?
We should have stopped at Motor Trade.
Should I stop that one?
Yeah, should have stopped at Motor Trade.
Yeah. I need to pay before.
I don't know. I don't have paperwork.
Should we? No, you say that we need to pay.
Don't worry about it. I'm not going to do it today.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, we need to pay the.
All right, here we're coming up on my corker through the back door. So. This road takes you up to the highway, and also up here you're getting into Mabalacat, which is a small community inside Mabalacat. Don't go there very often, but where we're going now is called Xevera. That's the Mabalacat City Hall is located all the way up there. It's about 9-10 kilometers, I believe.
Yeah, it's a good road today.
Yeah. Up here to the left you have St. Raphael Medical Center, and that's a story in itself. If you're a foreigner, don't go there, because they see you there, the price goes up and you need a lot more care than you really do. They're trying to squeeze money out of you. So, people are just crossing the road all over the place. There's a lot of construction just building here to the left.
Yeah, I'm just curious what kind of building.
I don't know, it looks like some office. But up here, to the left, in here, you see
That's the hypermarket.
Hypermarket SF. They have a lot of products that foreigner wants. You can even get soldier coffee and stuff that you normally can't get in some of these other stores, but here you can get it. Put that on your membership. SM Hypermarket is the market. There's also one store inside the SM Mall down in Clark as well. So here we're coming up. This is the overpass of the highway. So we're coming up here now.
Windy today.
Yeah, it's a little windy today actually. Be interesting to see how the camera sound, but out there if you look to the left you have the mountains.
This was a tunnel.
Right. And this little area is called Mabiga.
Yeah.
And we're coming into right now. It's also part of Mabalacat. We just went over the Maviga Bridge. And up here is also like the water company where you pay your water bills, Mabalacat Water. Yeah, a few hundred meters up this street. This road actually takes you all the way to the northern part of this peninsula and Luzon, up to Baguio, and you can go straight up this road. And you can go as far as you go. It's about a 7-hour ride from here, and we're going to take you there one of these days. These are smoking machines. That's one of the things you see here that is not common. Common anywhere else, or in many other places in the world, especially the Western world. But anyway, here is to the left, to the right is the water company. Yeah, the pollution by cars in Philippines is probably, and I traveled a lot. I've been to, I think, about 44 different countries in the world. And here, this is about the worst I have seen. I think that's what makes me having flu and sickness. Every 3-4 months I get sick. So we can't wait to actually here one day soon move down to Visayas, where we have clean air, and we're gonna try to build us a little house down there and stay there. Huh? Not much? I think it's too much. Yeah. Well, it's not standing completely still. Sometimes it does, but it's
because if it's really traffic, you can move. Maybe the jeepney, they're not moving.
Uh-oh.
When it's a heavy traffic, oh my God.
Uh-oh. Well, here we got some kind of truck crash. Don't know. Won't know what happened. Won't know what happened, but I think he dug himself down in the sand.
Yeah, because we diluted too much.
Yep.
That's why out of balance.
Yeah, well, he was dug down in the sand outside the asphalt.
Because they put too much. That's rock.
Right. As you can see also, even in a small community like this,
Yeah.
you find, if you look straight ahead, you find KFC and McDonald's, a typical American fast food chain. And then obviously you have Chowking and Jollibee, and that's, I think they have some Jollibee in the United States and California, but it's not a whole lot. Some people, when they're going to make a turn, they have to stop before they make the turn.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
That's a violation.
Traffic,
Kaya po sa mga inasal, may
traffic culture here is like very difficult because you
here
can't
is
go by.
this on the left side, this is the Mabalacat market.
Oh yeah, the city public
Yeah,
market.
public market.
Yeah, I see that.
And then on the left side also, that's the shortcut going to Clark, right?
Yeah, you make a left turn here, you
Yeah,
get down
left
the park. Yeah.
Oh, suddenly the stoplight is working. Before it's not working.
It's not working, it's flashing more.
Yeah.
That's why the police is here.
No, it's working.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's working over there, look.
It's not working. Do you see it's red or green?
It's
It's flashing orange.
orange.
Yeah.
So it means it's not working.
It's out of order.
Yeah, we need to fix it. It's 2019.
Yeah, this one's been out a long time.
Ah, it's hot.
And loud music is everywhere.
This is also the church here in Mabalacat. Already upgraded.
Yeah. Catholic church. And you see, there was a guy coming down
Mabalacat
the
Town.
wrong side of the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we just passed the post office here.
Yeah.
Look at the smoke coming out of this thing. That's why I don't like to stay behind them. Way too smoky. watch it. Gotta watch it. Yeah, it's pretty windy and dusty. So, alright, so here we have the, I think this is it. Is this NLEX or SETX? SETX, I think. So, they are, yeah, the highways connect down there in Dao, in that area around Clark. They all connect together. Alright, so here we're gonna go in this area. What's this area called? This is Xevera, right?
Yeah. The left side, that's the Xevera. That's where the city hall located.
Huh?
That's where the city hall located.
Yeah, Mabalacat City Hall is up here. And there,
Yeah, that's the
red,
city hall,
red
Mabalacat.
building there, you have the City Hall.
Yeah.
And that's where we got married. Yeah, that's the City Hall building right there.
And then we have Robinson Mall also inside.
Yeah. Supermarket.
There's a lot.
With stickers, without stickers.
Hi guys.
Hey, did I go the wrong turn? I don't have a sticker, we're just visiting her parents. Alright. Speed bump, speed bump, speed bump, speed bump. Xevera, is this the barangay hall? No, it's the, oh, that's the fitness center. It's the Xevera Fitness Center. Yeah, this is actually, and yeah, to the right here is the basketball court. What street? Arlene, right? Right here. Who is so happy? Oh, who is that? Cody. Cody. Harley, stop it. Hey, Cody.